What is up guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make $100 per day by just speaking your thoughts, and you can easily get paid $100 per day. And I will be sharing with you one easy way to get more money with this website. Okay, and this is one of the most trusted website when it comes to making money online. But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So basically the website I want to share with you is the listverse.com. You might have heard this website, but the catch is this: I'm going to share with you one secret to make easy money with this website. That's why you should watch this video. You might have already watched tons of videos, but make sure you watch this video. Okay, so as you can see over here, write and get paid $100. So you will be get paid $100 for every article you are going to write over here. Okay, and basically, as you can say, 10 items per list minimum. So basically they want articles like top 10 cars in the world. There should be the 10 in the it should be a list. Okay, that's what they want. And you can easily they are going to pay you via PayPal, so you do not have to worry about the payment from this website. And now let's jump into the what is the one secret tactic and how you can find the articles that this website is going to accept. Okay, so basically the first thing what we are going to do, we are going to simply head over to the listverse.com. so we are going to find out the articles which are already listed on the listverse. Okay, why we are doing so? As you can see, so we will get a overview of what kind of articles do the listverse receive. Okay, so as you can see over here, 10 dark and macabre facts about Jesse. So top 10 secret United States government bunkers. So as you can see, we are then what you need to do, you simply need to just look at the headlines. These are the kind of the headlines that are popular on this website. So now what we need to do, what we need to do now, we just simply need to find any content like this. For example, we can do like 10 unknown effects, 10 unknown things about this movie or stuff like that. You can create the article yourself. Okay, you can what you can do, you can then just simply search on the Google, can simply add up the stuff from here there. Basically the content is the kind of the same, but it is presented in a different way. So that's what everybody does. Okay, for example, if you are going to search what is affiliate marketing, okay, and 10 websites will come up. So on each of the website the thing will be the same, but they are all are presenting it in a different way. There is a uniqueness, so that's what they want. Okay, but make sure that the article has not been listed already, the topic has not been listed on the listverse already. So how you can find that? You can then simply just, for example, if you are going to search like if you are going to write an article on 10 unknown facts about the earth. Okay, so what you can do, you can simply search the same thing on the Google, and in the end you can write let me just show you what you can do. 10 unknown okay, so what you can do, you can simply search like 10 unknown facts about universe. Okay, about the share India, whatever about earth. Okay, so we are going to search about this, and thereafter you just need to write over here listverse. So if there will be an article related to this topic on the listverse, it will come up, otherwise it will not come up. So you will be able to know that whether the article is already listed or not. Now how you can get paid on this website? By just speaking out your thoughts. So basically you can then simply just head over to the Google Docs, and over here you can just simply click on tools, simply click on voice typing, and then just simply click over here to speak, and then just simply start speaking out your thoughts. And you will be amazed that it's literally very easy to just keep on speaking your thoughts, and then simply just copy and paste with the listverse, and that's all. You are boom to make money. Okay, if you are going to use this tactic, within just half an hour you can write about 1,000-word article. Okay, and you can easily get submit an article of over 1,000 words, and if you are going to give 2 hours, you can probably make $200 or even $300 from this website. Okay, it's really not a big deal. So if you have any issue, then let me know in the comment box. And also you do not need to attach any kind of any kind of pictures and videos. They are going to do it themselves. That's their headache, not ours. Okay. And there's nothing like etc I need to tell you. But if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment box. And also if you want to make me more, if you want me to make more videos like this, then leave a comment below. I will do the same. And also if you want to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, you want to go from $0 to $100, check out the link in the description. Okay, because there I will be teaching you how you can make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner. So I will see you in the training. Bye bye, take care and have fun.